comparing. Yes, what is meant by comparing? So Janvi, I told what is meant by comparing yesterday, last week. What do you mean by comparison? Yes, Janvi.
Comparing whether it is big or small.
So comparing, how will you come across with it in your daily life? Comparison means. How will you come across in your daily life about the comparison? You are always comparing. Yes, tell me, Janvi.
Examination mark.
Yes, Janvi,
Examination
what?
mark.
In the exam mark.
In the examination, just now you are.
Ma'am.
Yes. Any
Ma'am,
others? Yes, Ridvi?
Ma'am, when we buy something.
When we buy the articles, if we are going and buying from the shop, in one shop it is more. Same item, if you are buying, getting in less amount from the other shop, you will buy from the second shop. Okay. Yes. Any doubt, Sarah?
No, ma'am.
Who asked the doubt now?
Ma'am, can you see me?
Who?
I'm
Juwan.
Juwan, I can see you correctly. No problem.
Okay, ma'am. I am joining in computer that way.
Yes. But hearing little bit slow. Aryan, Ashwil, you can on your video. Nasnia, you can on your video. So these are about the comparison you heard about in daily life. Okay. So there are three possibilities for comparing a number. Now, yes.
Ma'am, Tanvi is present.
Yes, Tanvi, I will mark present. So there are three ways of comparing the numbers. Some it will be more, and some it will be less, and some numbers it will be equal. Okay. So can you tell me some examples, Felix? Can you tell me some examples which are more numbers? Any example?
More numbers.
More greater numbers. Can you tell some examples?
Greater numbers, for example, 1,000.
No. Now 2 and 3. Which is larger here?
3 is the larger
3
than.
is the larger number. And which is the smaller number?
Smaller number is 2.
2. Somebody unmuted there. I can hear some voice.
That's from me only, ma'am.
Yes, from you. You are telling the truth. Yes. So if it is 2 and 3, some number, 2 is lesser than 3. You can easily compare the numbers because it is a single digit number.
Yeah.
Is it not? So if it is 2 and 2, what? So you can write the symbol also. Already you studied, I think. 2 is 2 and 3. What symbol you will use it for compare numbers? Less than
3. Yeah, ma'am. We have been studied this. Comparing greater than, equal than, lesser than.
Yes.
Equal to.
2 less than 3 you can read. How will you read this number? 2 is lesser
than 3.
Mute. Until I am telling. Please mute all of you. Which is the greater number here, Mayuk? Others, please mute.
Ma'am, in 2 and 3?
Yes, in 2 and 3, which is the greater number?
3.
3. 3 is larger. Because if you are, then which is lesser here, Tanvi?
2.
2 is lesser. So the mouth will be open towards the larger number. Okay. Mouth will be open towards the larger number. And how will you read it? 5 is less than 6. How will you read it? 5 is less than 6. Less than 6. And 5 are there. How will you write it, Nainika? You are getting 2 numbers. She got 5 marks, 20 marks, and other student also got 20 marks. So how will you compare it? How will you? Yes, Nainika.
Equal.
Both are equal marks. Because 20 is the same as 20 itself. So you can say that which symbol you will use here? 20 is equal to 20. Equal to sign you are using here. Okay. So less than, greater than, and equal to.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, you asked your doubt.
Ma'am, does we can compare numbers more than 2 digit?
Yes, you can compare. That one only we are coming to that point. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So now for easy, I am telling about, now there are 3 numbers. Single digit, if you are starting, it will be easy for you to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How will you arrange it in increase? There are 2 types of order in arranging the numbers. increasing order as well as decreasing order. What is meant by increasing order? How will you write in increasing order? 2, 3, 4.
Descending order.
How will you write in increasing
Descending
order?
order.
3,
Ma'am.
4.
One.
So you can write because it is given 2, 3, 4 in increasing order. This is called ascending order.
Ascending order.
Have you studied about this?
Yes, ma'am.
We have studied
Studied
in
about
smaller
first
to
ascending order and descending order.
Yeah,
we
Smaller
have
one to the
studied
larger
in
one.
first
Yes.
standard,
Please
second
mute
standard,
now.
third standard.
From smaller to larger number, then it is called ascending order. Okay, if there are more than 3 numbers, you arrange in ascending order or arrange in. So if you are arranging the largest one first, 4, 3, 2, then what
Descending
we will say?
order.
4, 3, 2.
Descending
This
order.
descending order.
Good afternoon. Order.
In descending
Descending
order.
order.
4, 3, 2.
Ma'am, everyone join.
Yes,
Ma'am, 35 students.
35 students. All join now. Only
Ma'am,
one is absent.
34.
No, includes Manas.
Including Manas and Ojas also.
Yes, correct now. Okay, so all are there. Very good. Excellent strength. Yes. So then it is called increasing means what? If the number, if you are arranging from smallest to largest, then it is called ascending order. Smaller to largest, then it is called what? It is called ascending order.
Ascending order.
Okay. And if you are arranging the numbers from largest to smallest, then it is called descending order.
Descending order.
Ascending order and descending order. What is meant by ascending order? If it is arranging from smallest to largest, you
Biggest.
can say that you are arranging in ascending order. If you are arranging the numbers from largest to small, then it is smallest, then it is called the descending order.
Descending order.
Therefore, there are 2 types of, now if there are more than 2 digits, I am telling about single digit easily to understand. If there are more than 1, 2, 3, then 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5. Which is the larger number? How will you
7,
arrange in
6,
increasing
5.
order, Hyra? How will you arrange in increasing order? 7, 6, 5. First number is 7, 6, 5.
3 to 1. Increasing order.
Increasing order. Smallest one first.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, 1, 2, 3.
3 to 1.
3, 2, 1.
7, 6, 5.
7, 6, 5. How you will compare these numbers? First, you should count the number of digits. Number of digits. How many digits are there here? How many digits are there, Priya? For every number, it is 3 digits are there.
3.
So you cannot compare with the number of digits. Okay. They are telling how to arrange in place value chart and all. No need of all these things because it will take time. So first you count the number of digits. How many digits are there here? All are having 3 digits. Then you take, then you see the 100th place. 100th place, here it is 1. Here it is 3. Here it is 1. Okay. So if the 100th place are same, you go to the next place value and you can have the arranging. Are you knowing this?
Yes, ma'am.
We started studying
Write the
until
notes.
second standard.
Second standard only you
Second,
study.
third,
Shall we write
standard,
some
fourth
standard,
standard.
fourth standard and fifth standard.
fourth
Fifth
standard?
We have been
Okay, you
studying
can
in
write
the
the
same.
notes.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes,
have a
tell me,
doubt.
Saira.
Ma'am, now you have given in the board as 1, 2, like that, all right?
Yes.
So we can write the ascending order and descending order, like missing 1 digit from that, like 1, 3, 5, like that. We can do it.
Missing numbers? No, you cannot write that.
Okay,
we are going to write notes.
Yes. Yes, wait, Saira, I will come to that.
Can I take a new page?
No need. You can write.
Continue.
Yes. Wait, Saira, I will come to that. Okay.
Should we continue?
Yes, you can continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. As what is meant by ascending order and what is meant by descending order. These are the things you have to write it now. So first one, Yes, Ira, you can ask your doubt. What is your doubt now?
Ma'am, I asked that
Hmm.
now you have given in the board as 1, 2, 3, like that, right?
Yes, yes.
So we can write the ascending order and descending order
Yeah.
by missing one digit from that, like 1, 3, 5, 7, like that we can write.
Wait, I'm not getting your question.
Ma'am,
This one over, no?
She is asking we can.
Yes,
write
yes,
like-
wait. First I will open this and see. Place value chart already you wrote it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Comparison of numbers I should take. Okay. Wait 1 minute, Saira, I will come to you. This one no need of taking. Already you wrote it. One minute I will open and clear your doubt. It is not coming to my mind now. Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what should we need to write?
Yes, I will give the notes now. Wait 1 minute. Comparison of numbers you can write. Yes, comparison of numbers. That one only I want to do it, but I went for place value chart. Yes, now you can, if it is loading, you can clear it.
Ma'am, is this 2.2 ascending order?
No, 2.2, no, next concept, comparison of numbers, comparing the numbers. Yes, you can. Yes, Saira, you tell me your doubt now. You can
Ma'am,
write
we
the others,
have-
they can write your heading. Yes,
Ma'am, we have studied patterns, right?
yes,
So in that we have write as 1, 3, then 5, like that we have written, right?
yes.
So in
Yes.
ascending order,
No,
we
you
can
cannot
write
change
like
the
that.
numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
You cannot
We
change
should
the
go
number.
in that order, right?
Yes. Same
Okay.
number, 1, 2, 3 means you should not delete any number. The meaning will change then. You cannot delete any number from it. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I ask a doubt?
Yes, you can ask your doubt. Tell me.
Ma'am, can we compare 0?
0 and 1. 0 and 1. Which is larger?
1.
1 is larger.
So can we compare 0 and 0?
0 is equal to 0, you can say. Both the numbers are equal.
And we should write this.
Yes, you can write it. Now, any doubt? Yes.
Can you share the coordinates?
Yes. Comparison of numbers, you can write.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
Ma'am, you can change the slide.
Okay. Shall I change the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So don't write all these things. Arrange the numbers in place value chart and all. No need of writing. You write it as ascending. Yes. Yes, Tanvi.
Comparison of numbers.
Comparison
That's
of
the heading,
numbers.
Tanvi. Comparison of numbers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I just joined now due to power
Can
failure.
you show the... Okay. And we stop.
We stopped up to place value chart.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I just joined now due to a power failure.
Okay. Now you can start here.
Now there are 30.
Now only started the notes. I told about comparing the numbers. Almost all are knowing how to compare the numbers. Two minutes only. 123. You have to stop writing.
Ma'am, there is only 1 minute.
1 minute more. Okay, 2 minutes you want. Then you can write it. Finished?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you read the last sentence?
Arrangement of numbers from biggest to smallest. Arrangement of numbers you can write. Or arrangement of numbers from biggest to smallest. It is called descending order.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
finished.
Yes, wait.
No.
1 more minute I will
I
give.
finished.
Ma'am, I finished.
Everyone.
Yes, wait.
Ma'am, you can change the slide.
I'm finished.
Wait for
Please
others.
mute all of you. Yes, Nainika. Yes, 124. How many of you are not completed? Raise your hands. 1, 2. Only 1, 2, 3. Yes, write fast. 1 more minute only, not more than that. Okay. Comparison of numbers, ascending order. Arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the largest. Descending order. Arrangement of numbers from biggest to smallest.
Ma'am, 1 minute finished, ma'am.
Yes, 125. 125 I will stop. Nasnia completed. Mute your audio. Yes, now you became decent. Or no one is talking. Very silently you are writing. Very good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the last
125.
sentence. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
the
it is
last sentence.
125.
Now need mute.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
the
tell me.
last sentence you wrote arrangement of
Yes,
from
Ridvi.
big- in the last sentence you wrote arrangement of from biggest to small.
Arrangement
Yes,
of
ma'am,
numbers, you
change
can write
that
it.
to
Arrangement of
numbers.
numbers. Or arrangement of arrangement of you can also you can write
Ma'am,
arrangement.
125, ma'am. You can change the slide, ma'am.
Okay, now 125 now. Next one. Compare the following numbers and arrange in ascending order and descending order. 8 digits are there. 3, 5, 8. So which is the smallest one here? You have to write first. This will be the smallest one, then 5, 7, 2, 4. These are the topics coming under workbook. Yes, 127, 128 you have to stop.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in this we want to write ascending order and descending order.
Both you write it. This is the question. This is the answer. Ascending order. This is the descending order. This is called descending order. Finish. Wait. 128, I told you time.
Please keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Please mute. Let them write. Some are writing still. First problem.
Everyone. Ma'am,
Yes.
for the comparing, we have to write only the smallest number.
Ascending means smaller to largest. Descending order means largest to smallest.
Ma'am, 129, ma'am.
Yes, 129.
You can change it, the slide.
Now shall I change how
I'm
many?
not finished.
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
did not complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your hands.
I'm switching.
Raise your hands. Enough. Don't shout. 1, 2, 3. Yes, write fast. Only 1 minute. I will change now.
There are 4.
Yes, 1 to 140. Time is running.
Boy.
1 more minute. That much only. Afterwards, I will change. I will not ask you.
Ma'am, 1 minute over, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute over. Now I will change the screen. Next one. Second question. 133 have to stop writing. Second question. Second question, ascending order and descending order. 8 digits are there. Three numbers which are in 8 digits. Who unmuted there? Some sound is coming. Who unmuted? Somebody
Share the
unmuted.
screen. Share the
Yes, yes.
screen.
I'm share the board.
Yes, 133 I told.
I finished.
Yes, yes. There 2 more minutes.
Can you mute?
2 more minutes are there to complete.
Siddhi, please mute.
Siddhi completed now.
Ma'am, now you can change it from.
Yes, yes. Wait. 1 more minute I
One
give.
more minute.
1 more minute is there.
Ma'am, 1 minute over, ma'am.
Yes, no, still 133.
Ma'am, it's 133. Yes, ma'am, now it's 133.
Yes, now it is 133.
Ma'am, I completed.
Now all of you completed. Very good. Now excellent speed they got.
Yeah, ma'am, you can say.
Not I completed. Everyone
Yes, third question. Third question. Small
I haven't
number. You can write
completed,
it.
ma'am. I will send. I haven't completed, ma'am.
Yes. Who did not complete?
Ma'am, Srihari, I
Yes,
have to
Srihari, you
take
can
a new
complete it.
paper.
Ma'am, I
will send it.
She will send to you. Okay, very good. Yes, Srihari.
Srihari, take a screenshot. I am on computer. I can't take.
She will send. She is sending to you.
Screenshot. I will tell you, Srihari.
Everyone
But it will take too long.
quiet.
Srihari, can I say plus S? You can take
Yes.
a screenshot. Then you can change.
Third question you can write
size.
it. Yes, Prithvi.
Ma'am, so if one, ma'am, so in this
Yes,
question,
yes.
ma'am, in this question, last two numbers, the last two numbers are starting 7 and 5 are both same. So we will take
You go to the next digit. If they are same, you go to the next digit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Here 9 is larger. So you take 9.
Ma'am, can you mute?
Who is
There a
talking there?
disturbance.
Who is talking?
There is a disturbance.
Share the board.
Yes, Nainika unmuted there.
Ma'am, you can show the next slide.
No.
You can show the next
Yes,
slide.
wait. 1 more minute I will give them.
Ma'am, I completed Srihari.
Completed all?
Not you.
Yes.
Everyone need to complete. Ma'am, I also completed. Not I. Everyone need to complete.
How many of you have not completed?
I'm
Not completed. Yes, you can complete now. 1 more minute. 136 now. 137.
Ma'am, you can change it, ma'am.
Yes, wait. Let them write. Some of them not completed still. One minute.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, you can change it.
there's another student from
They will leave. Ma'am, can you show the next one, ma'am? Finished. Ma'am, it's,
now can you mute?
ma'am, it's 137. Ma'am.
Yes, 137. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you mute?
Fourth one.
Ma'am, in this all are same.
Yes.
All same. Some
All
there is
same. Little
difference.
bit difference is there. That much only. That is why I gave this question.
Only 1 and 0.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you share the next?
Yes. Only 2 minutes
This
you
is
can
the next
complete.
slide.
Next slide, only 2 minutes, you can complete this fourth problem.
This is the slide.
Ma'am, will you send the notes in the WhatsApp?
Yes, yes, I will send through WhatsApp.
Will you send the notes today?
Today only I will send, okay? Because completed in all the classes.
Ma'am, can I write for ascending and descending order in short form as A and D?
You will not understand after that. After 1 week, if you are reading, you will not understand what is written there.
I will understand.
It's 5.
Yes,
I finished.
finished.
There is one more minute.
Yes. Yes, who is calling?
No need to say finish.
Ira, stop chatting, ma'am.
Don't chat.
Who is chatting there?
Can you disable the chat? Can you disable it?
Over, time over now.
Time over.
Time over. Only 1 more minute. We
Ma'am,
can,
wait, ma'am. 1 minute.
to next class, we can have place value and face value, and we can start workbook problems. So keep workbook with you. We can have,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, tell me.
Send large numbers notes on the book.
Which one?
Large numbers notes.
Notes I sent.
No. He's asking for no.
Ma'am,
I send all the
Can
notes
you
till
have about
comparison of numbers.
She's
Okay.
asking
Next class.
for
Bye bye.
the notes.
Yes, I
Thank you,
will.
ma'am.
I send the notes.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.